Alright, we're here. Hopefully everything sounds good. We'll test everything out. We'll see how it goes. We have a new STI. So we have a 15 Evo and we have an STI here. Carb STI. Oh, I like STIs. I mean, I understand the issue with STIs, but still like them. There is the Z. Z's done. The ZX needs to be washed. It's STI. Finally, we get the Z back. The new sound system in there. I don't see his GTR out here. Yeah, I guess he didn't drive the GTR. Did he? Nope, there's a GTR right there. There's the manager's GTR. Let's check it out since we're here. Enterprise rental car. Heck yeah. So now we gotta go return the rental car. Yep, there's the GTR. That's the guy, the manager of Car Toys, his GTR, his track edition GTR. Nice. Nice. Let's walk right here. Because they got the gate closed. Yep, there it is. Track edition GTR. Nice. Alright, so we're going to head back to the house to take back this rental car because we don't need it, obviously, and then we're just waiting for the Honda to come back, and then we can put the Z in the shop and get that rear diffuser installed and get some paint work done. Oh man, after like 3 weeks. But alright, this is the amp that they installed, obviously, in the Z. That's the new amp that replaced that crappy amp, and there's that crappy amp that the last company installed. It wasn't Car Toys, but we replaced the quality JL audio. This is the top of the line 5-channel amp. I mean, this is top of the line. This amp is $1,000, $1,000 amp. Okay, now we got mirrors adjusted. Of course, I need gas. Damn thing needs gas. Alright, we're gonna go get gas and then we can drop off this rental car. Man, it feels good to be back in the Z now that I got everything we adjusted, seat adjusted, all that. We'll get rid of that shitty ass amp right there. Alright, man, let's head back. Let's get some gas. Oh, hell, I'm loving this now. This thing needs to be washed really bad. Yeah, I don't know what that guy was doing right there. We need to wash this car really bad. It's dirty. Pay attention to the traffic. The traffic is pretty sick right now. So we're gonna head back to the house so we can park cars. Alright, the car done, then I guess all this stuff happened, but it's washed now, nice and clean. Yeah, awesome. Loving it. Damn, didn't bring a towel because I was simply just trying to get this thing washed. Alright, let's get back to the house. Alright, this welcome home Z. The Z is back. Sounding good. The new amp sounds a lot better. Everything's all crispy. Went and washed it. This thing hasn't been washed in a long time. The weather's pretty crappy, so I'm gonna go and do a wash and wax probably next weekend or whatever. But yep, happy to have the Z back. Now to take back the rental car, and then hopefully we'll get the Honda in like 2 weeks. Okay, and the other 2 packages, like I stated, are here. My neighbor finally came back from his mini vacation. Thank you so much for holding on to these packages and accepting them while I was at work. But here we go. Here's the other 2 pieces we need. This piece right here, the long piece, I'm sure you probably figured it out by now. But this piece is going to go to the body shop, or drop this off to the body shop. And then this piece right here is actually going to go on, but we could wait until we get the car back to put this piece on. So let's open these boxes. Let me show you what's in these boxes. So then you can see, pretty much get the full picture of what's going on with the Civic now that, again, somebody hit it. So again, it was full steam ahead. Let's get these exterior plans done now, get the car repainted, etc. So I'm excited to see once it's all together. Again, you guys saw what the car currently looks like. It's not bad or whatever, but again, the guy wasn't paying attention, and it just sucks. We just got the complete audio system done, and then bam, like the next damn day, some dude runs into the back of me. So, but Took a couple L's, and in the case of waiting for the insurance money, it took extra long, and I went ahead and paid for the parts out of pocket, as well as FedEx. Yeah, go woohoo, go FedEx. Losing my rear bumper, and then I ended up finding it walking my dog. Long crazy story, but got another rear bumper coming in for a warranty claim, because again they lost it. We thought it was lost, and ended up finding it. But again, another story. So let's open these two boxes up. Let me show you what's in these boxes, so you get the full picture of kind of how the Civic's gonna look. This thing's shaping up to be awesome. So let's open up these boxes. Alright, here we go. Let's see what the box within the box. So the first box, you guys might be able to figure out what it is. I actually don't need all these pieces because I've already installed this. I'll just show you what this is. And again, these are fog lights, but I got them because they're down, they're yellow. There you go. I'm gonna go with the true JDM look, yellow. Remember, if you guys remember, the guys that followed the channel for a long time, I installed black fog lights. They're actually black housing, but as you guys saw, for the build going on for so long, the tent, I chameleon tinted the fog lights, and one of the tent has like some, basically residue left on it. I don't think I can clean it off. Haven't tried it, but haven't washed the car since I got the car back. But once this we paint it, we'll try. But I want to go ahead and go with the yellow look. Obviously, you guys see the yellow thing going on with the car. So I was like, let's just go ahead and get authentic yellow JDM fog lights. So there you guys go, yellow fog lights. The good thing is I've already installed these fog lights, so for me it's just plug and play. I got the whole installation kit right here, the button, the wiring harness. And for those of you that don't know how to hook up aftermarket fog lights, the non-OEM ones, I do have a video on it because I've done it twice. Go back and watch the video. It's real easy. Show you how to install it. So once we get the car back, we'll swap out the fogs for these yellow ones. Be badass. And that will complete the front of the car. I was thinking of upgrading the front to the 09 to 11 look, but I've looked at a couple turbocharged ones, and it doesn't look that good to me. The 06 to 08 looks more aggressive, so we'll see. Either way, fog lights, yellow fog lights, been waiting for those. So let's go ahead and open this up right here, show you what this is. I'm just going to simply pull it out. And there we go. There you guys go. For all you guys that don't know what this is what we call a vortex diffuser. In this case, this is for the Civic. It's actually called a VTX. I got it written right here, as you can see. Right there. That's what it is. For you guys that are wanting the part number, what it is. This is the actual diffuser. Goes on the bottom of the car. You commonly see Evos with this diffuser, but this is the one for the two-door Civic right here. So I thought this would be awesome. I came across this, and I was like, oh, there's something different, because again, everything about this car is different. So this is the full actual diffuser. Now I did go ahead and get the Duraflex one. For you guys that want to know, yes, they do make this diffuser in carbon fiber. It's about $320 more than the this one, the Duraflex ABS one. But in the interest of saving time, and I wanted to see how it was going to come out and how it was going to fit, I said, well, let me just get the basic one first and see how I like it. Because again, with these diffusers, the only thing that you're going to see carbon fiber really is the sides right here and then the rear lip. So what I'm going to end up doing, I guess most people just put these on the car. They don't paint them. The finish of it, if you look at it right there, doesn't look bad. And there it is again, the part number for you guys are going to ask me. That's what it is. It's not bad, but I'd rather just paint it. So I'm probably going to 100% paint this in black. This is generic black is all I need. Or it's a high gloss. There you go. That way it's painted instead of leaving it that base primer color like some people. I'd rather just go ahead and just paint it black, or at least just paint the outside and then the underneath black, and then maybe up to here black. Not necessarily all this, because you're not going to see all this. You're going to see like right here. If I paint all that black right there, and then get it installed on the new rear bumper. It's going to be easy to install, obviously, because I got family rear bumper, so they can install it first and then go ahead and mock everything up. But yeah, I thought this would be pretty cool. You don't see people with this actual diffuser on the Civic. I don't think a lot of people know it exists, so I'm bringing light to it. Again, this is the VTX diffuser for the two-door Civic. Yes, it does come in carbon fiber. Again, I might swap to the carbon fiber option once I get it all together to see how the car looks. And maybe you never know. Again, once I get it on there, if I like the way it is, and I want to spend the extra money and quote unquote sell this one a little bit later or something, I could always upgrade to the carbon fiber, but no big deal. Probably be happy. I'm already happy that I got one, so I'm happy with this painting this black and leaving it be. I'm going to get the question as well, what if you have the Honda Factory Performance rear lip that goes over the rear bumper? Will this fit? Yes, this will fit, because this is bolts to the bottom of the bumper. So the actual Honda lip kit will go over the sides, not the bottom. So yeah, you could have both pieces on if you wanted to, for you SI guys. Anyways, but alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and package this all back up. Takes this to the shop. As you guys saw earlier, I already delivered the other parts, or take this to the shop. That way they can paint, put everything together, and man, when we see this Civic again, it's going to just be epic. It's going to be crazy. And then when it comes back, we'll immediately swap out the fog lights for the yellow fog lights to complete the look. Okay, let's go and box this back up, and let's get this to the shop. Alright, long diffuser. We're going to drop this off at the body shop, and that'll be all the parts I need to fix the Honda. But again, I am impressed by this Ultra. I'm putting the seats down, got that big old long box, and I was able to keep the box. Alright, let's go to the body shop, drop this off, make sure we get the paint scheme that we want to do right, and basically gonna wait until the car is done. So I don't think I'm gonna put the reveal of the car in this video. I'll just wait to the next video. So again guys, don't forget to click like and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, post them below. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so that I know, you guys know when I post a new video. Any questions, post them below. I get a lot of questions about parts, where I bought this from, where I bought that from. Again, post them below. I love reading you guys' comments, and see you guys next video. Again, click subscribe. Peace. Alright, we're gonna one up the Mako. Here we go. We're gonna drop this part off, and then we're gonna tell them how we want to do the paint scheme right quick. They should have already gotten started, but we'll find out here in a second. Let's pull in and let's drop out these parts. Alright, thank you to Mako. Drop the parts off. It's gonna be about 2 weeks before we get the Honda back. It's all repainted, all good to go. So I'll be excited. I got 2 weeks without the Honda, but then as soon as the Honda's done, we're gonna drop off the Z and get the work done the Z. So let's go ahead and return this rental car. Let's start up, give some gas for the last time. I will give this ultimate credit. It's hung in there for sure. So we're gonna go and fill this up, return this, and then like you said, about 2 weeks